Hi guys, so my name is Connie. I go to SJSU. I'm not sure about the other schools, but this is what I found. So if you want to take community college and transfer it over to SJSU, you can absolutely do that. This mainly applies to GE courses, lower division, or undergraduate courses, because once you get to upper division, I don't think they let you do that anymore. So what you want to do is type in SJSU articulation and it will take you to this page. I go to school transfer. You pick the college the community college that you're attending. So I use Mission just because I already have credit in there. You can do any of them that you want. And then, for example, you want to take a science course or whatever, we'll do a science course. And then these are basically the courses that transfer over. So the left-hand side is SJSU, and then the right-hand side is Mission's course. So then they compare. They just name it differently, but you can take this course over here and transfer the same credit over. Sometimes there are some times where the courses will not transfer. And to make sure that they are transferable, use SJSU articulation. I will put a link, and if you do not find the name on this list, it may not be transferable. And if you want to double check that, I would ask any administration office or whatever at SJSU. And this is one way you can see if the credits are transferable by yourself. I have done this. I did it in art class and whatever. I took those two classes, and you order a transcript, an official transcript, and then you send it over to SJSU, and then SJS with an email. There's a specific email. I don't have it on hand right now, but you can go find it. Or I will link it in the bottom below. But you email it to them, and then your credits are there. You can check if your credits are actually in there by going to your SJSU site. My SJSU. I hope you guys find this helpful, because I was talking to my friends and some of them actually didn't know this. So more academics, maybe. No. View my transfer credit report. There you go. And then you get to see how many transferred. So I took it at Mission College, and I took 2 classes. Each class was 3 units. And then that's why I have 6. So it definitely saves you money. They also tell you your credits, whatever transferred. And if you take another note, if you take AP class and you pass with a 3 or higher, you can transfer it to SJSU. When you apply to schedule your classes as a freshman, the counselors don't have time to search up all your stuff. So then they're basically just going to assign you whatever a regular typical freshman would take. So then they will automatically put you into calculus. Even though you took calculus already, you need to prove to them that you've taken the AP test and you passed. You send that to them through the email, and then you basically take whatever's next. So for example, stats, if you're taking stats, you just register with them saying, when you're there, you just sign up for it and you'll transfer and you get the units. So then make sure that they have they have it written on whatever this is. And that's about it. I'm still learning how to do internships and all that good stuff, and working around SJSU's programs and stuff like that. And I will keep you posted. I'll most likely edit this. If not, I might be lazy. Okay, anyways, I hope you found this helpful. I'm sorry I started so many times, but articulation, transfer credit, and AP. Make sure you have those things. It will save you time and money, because I believe SJSU over the summer is like $1,000, I'm not very sure, for a class. And then community college, I think I spent $200. This is a really bad estimation. I kind of forgot. Over the summer. So it saves you a lot of money, and I definitely recommend doing this. Okay, bye.